All right, I'm going to make a very quick video on how to use the Zoom meeting to have your face showing in one screen and a document camera using your phone in another screen in the same meeting. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, on my computer, do a new meeting, and it pops up with a meeting all on my own. So I'm going to do join with computer audio, and there I am in a meeting all by myself. So then what I need to do is open Zoom on my phone. So on my phone, I'm going to open Zoom and I'm going to join a meeting, and I need to use the meeting ID that's at the top of the main screen of the meeting I've already started on my computer. So open the same code, and here's the important part. Before you join, you need to toggle don't connect to audio. Otherwise, you're going to have a feedback echoey nightmare. So then I do join. It's waiting. Okay, I need to, in order to not have my face on here twice, I'm going to turn my view around and then turn my camera so I have horizontal video. Okay, so then I do gallery view and I have my face in one screen and I have a document camera in the other, my very dirty art table. So then if I were showing what I was making or what I was working on, I could put my phone in a tripod and then show what I'm working on in one screen, but also people could see my face in the other screen. And there's no feedback audio issue because audio is only coming in and out of one device. So that's how it's done.